Welcome to episode 4 of Coding Corner's Python Beginner course. In this episode, we will be discussing how to check data types in Python. So to check the data type, we can use the type function. So let's just use print first to view it in the console. Type. And then between these parentheses, we put the data. This could also be a variable if you want. But for now, let's just use an integer. Run. As we can see, it outputs class int, which stands for integer. Now let's try this with a float. 2.5 float. We can even try this with a string too. Here, it's output string. Okay, now let's say we want to change a data type. And this can be especially be useful when using the input function. For example, let's put age equals integer input what is your age, and let's print age. What is your age? Say 15, and it outputs 15. Okay. Now, if we wanted to take this a step further, we could even use the fstring function, which we learned yesterday. Print f string. You are age years old. Run it, and here it says you are 15 years old. Okay. Now to summarize, in this lesson, we learned about checking and changing data types. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.